Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Xion Naturals Apple Cider Vinegar 1000 milligram dietary supplement with a quantity of 120. It's for natural weight loss, detox, cleanse, digestion, and immune support. It's an all-natural, fat-burning, and detox apple cider. Is one of the most powerful weight loss pills. Apple cider vinegar for weight loss works by promoting natural regulation of blood glucose and insulin, boosting metabolism, supercharging fat enzymes, supporting digestion, and also boosting detoxification. So it supports weight loss, detox, and cleanse programs. Apple cider is a great way to gently cleanse the body, lose weight, and help ward off unhealthy bacteria that you may encounter. Known to support weight management lifestyle, apple cider vinegar weight loss supplement also promotes healthy digestion, and as well as it helps the intestines to clean so you can lead an optimal and exuberant life. There's no artificial ingredients in this product. It's a premium formulation, and you should never settle when it comes to your health and supplements. It goes down easy, it's tasteless, so you don't have to worry about taking a raw teaspoon or the raw apple cider teaspoon and dealing with that bitter, awful taste. It's in a capsule in a dried form, and it's easy to take anywhere, anytime, and they believe that health should be first. This is Xion Naturals. They operate on one principle: health first. We are committed to formulating only the finest quality blends and guarantee that you are getting the best apple cider out there. Their formula is all natural, contains no preservatives, chemicals, or anything other than what it says on the bottle. Every one of our batches is quality tested and analyzed by a third-party laboratory to ensure the strictest of quality. And you have nothing to lose, because if you don't like it, you can get your money back 100%, and it's a 60-day money-back guarantee, hassle-free. And the formula is proudly made in the USA, and the facility is an FDA registered facility under strict good manufacturing practices and standards. So this is something I've added to my diet to help supplement weight loss and also ward off any. It supports my immune system. It helps detox and cleanse my colon, and it's a much nicer way of taking apple cider vinegar than taking it by the teaspoon, so you don't have to taste it. I think it says to take 2 vegetable capsules once a day, and so this should last you for 2 months. It's 120 count. So suggested use, and this expires by 5/21. Suggested use: a dietary supplement, take 2 veggie caplets daily. For best results, take 20 to 30 minutes before a meal with an 8-ounce glass of water, or as directed by your healthcare professional. It does not contain yeast, corn, wheat, soy, gluten, milk, salt, sugar, preservatives, or artificial color. So it kind of ticks all the boxes for an apple cider supplement, and it's a good price, and I've found that it's not any more difficult to add to my vitamins than just, adding a couple extra pills in there, and they're just capsules. You just take them with water, and yeah, it's a great product. I'd give it a 4.5 stars out of 5, and yeah, I think this is something that's worth trying if you're trying to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet and not wanting to drink it, this is a good way to get it into your diet by taking it in capsule form. Capsule form is a lot easier than having to take a tablespoon or two of really bitter, not tasty apple cider vinegar. So, but don't take my word for it. Add it to your health arsenal. And thanks so much for watching. Hope you like it.